Thank you for tuning back into my series where I treat patients and help them get better. And today, who do we have here?
Xavier.
All right, Mr. Xavier. What brings you in today?
I'm trying to figure out what is going on with my back and mainly my shoulder.
Okay. Yeah.
Tightness in my shoulder. And after speaking with you at the gym, I felt a little bit more of everything, which is interesting because I didn't feel it before that. But only when I'm at rest, I feel it too. But yeah, that's what brings me here.
Okay. Any other, you said only when you're at rest, no other movements or anything like that makes you feel it?
Well, for my spine at rest, but for my back, for my shoulder, that's when I'm trying to work out or simple movements like this, but that's it.
Okay, that's when you feel it. It's just regular movements. Okay. So we're going to do some range of motion. So you're going to take both of your arms, you're going to bring them up. Does that aggravate anything when you do that?
I feel it, but it doesn't
it just feels tight?
Yeah.
Okay. You come back like this, bring them inside like this, come back out like this. Any pain with that?
No.
Okay. Bring your shoulders like this, bring them all the way forward, and then bring them all the way back like this. Okay. And then come back. Anything with that?
No.
Okay. All right, now let's check that out. Well, let's also do range of motion for the neck too. Let's take your chin, bring it to the chest. Look in the sky. Come back to center. Lean to the side. Lean to the other side. Come back to the center. Look to the left. Look to the other side. Any pain or any tenderness or anything with that?
No.
Okay. Let's have you stand up, and we'll have you touch your toes as much as you can. Come back up, arch your back towards the ceiling, come back to the center, lean to the side, lean to the other side, come back to the center. How's that feel in the low back?
Feels fine.
Okay, let's have a seat. Take a seat again, and what we're gonna do is feel around that shoulder region. Because it was more to the front right here, huh?
The back, to be honest.
Oh, it was the back?
Yeah. Yeah, back there.
Right there.
I felt both just now, but mainly...
It's mainly back here?
Yeah. Well, especially when I try and work out.
Gotcha. You feeling the back part of the shoulder? All right. Let's see. Is that tender at all?
No. Oh, that was. But
This right here a little bit?
a little bit, yeah.
Okay. It's like subscap. It's like the rear deltoid, possibly supraspinatus. Put your thumb up like this. Keep it straight. Don't let me move. How'd that feel?
Fine.
Okay, bring it down. Relax it. I'm gonna bring it out a little bit. Don't let me move it. How'd that feel?
Fine. The first time we did it, I felt it. I think, I don't know, maybe I've been doing some other exercises to where...
Yeah, feels like it's a little bit better.
Yeah.
All right.
Or the medicine you gave me.
Yeah. Oh, you've been taking that?
Yeah.
Good.
That could be it.
Good. All right. So I'm just going to fill out this right here. All right, so we're going to start off by moving the neck, but you are going to hear some noises.
Okay.
It's just gas being released when it happens. And just gonna let your head fall. Let it fall. Let it relax. Let it fall into my hand right here.
Whoa. Definitely felt that.
All right, let's get the other side. Relax.
Whew. Felt that one as well.
No, I felt that one as well. Face this way for me. Like sit on the edge of the bed.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we're gonna get your mid back region, and what we're gonna do, I'm gonna get the midsection of your mid back region. What we're gonna do is you're gonna have you give yourself a huge hug, like this. That's pretty good. And I'm gonna take a deep breath in, and then you're just gonna fall back. Breathe out. Fall back. Okay. All right. And let's have you face this way. And put your arm on your hip like this.
Right arm.
We'll do this one first.
Okay.
And we're just gonna do a gentle mobilization of the shoulder. And just gonna have you, while you're press into it, into your hip, but also press back here as well while you're doing that. Okay. Ooh. Wonderful. Same deal.
Okay.
Press back. Okay. All right. And next thing we're gonna do is we're actually gonna have you go face up for me.
Face up.
Yeah. Oh, head here. Sorry. On your other back.
My other back?
Yeah, face up.
No.
Oh, okay. Not the first time that happened.
Yeah, I'm sure.
All right. So, just gonna have you give a huge hug here.
Okay.
Deep breath in. Just gonna get your mid back. Breathe out. Nice.
Nice.
And I'm just gonna stretch this out a little bit because you do got some tight hamstrings.
Very.
So let me know if it's too much.
As much as I need to.
Yeah, it would help. Okay. Can relax. Okay. I'm just gonna move this right here too. Okay. And then we can relax this one right here. It's gonna help loosen up the back a little bit more. Okay. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna help open up the hip muscles, or open up the hip bones.
Okay.
What you're gonna do is you're gonna just keep both your legs right here,
Okay.
and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna try to close your legs together like that. Keep going, keep going. Yeah. Let's have you go on your side, facing towards me.
Okay. Oh.
Come a little bit closer. And then you can relax this. Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, you can give yourself a little bit of a hug. This is just gonna help open up your low back region. I gotcha. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out.
Oof.
Don't fall down now.
Right.
Steady face towards me.
So,
Come a little bit closer to the edge.
Okay.
That's good. You can relax this. Take a deep breath in, breathe out. Okay. Let's have you go on your back.
Back.
That's pretty good. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a gentle adjustment of the ankle. But just take these off.
Okay.
Grip both sides of the table so you don't fly off. There we go. And then I'm gonna get this one right here. Relax. Nice. There we go. Here we go. And one last move. Okay. So I'm just going to do a gentle pull of your neck. Let's see. Lift up your head. Gonna do this. Relax. Here we go. This. All right. Right shoulder. Let's do a little bit of, just gonna do a little bit of soft tissue work on you.
Okay.
Get it to relax. Actually, I'm actually going to have you come up and face the camera. Okay. Going to do a little bit of penne stretching technique. So what I'm going to have you do is, yeah, it's also like rear deltoid too, is just basically take your arm up like this,
Okay.
and then go all the way like that, but slowly. Let me know if I'm using too much pressure.
Okay.
Go ahead. You can relax. We'll do a little bit of this. We'll go over some pretty good stretches that you could do for your shoulder.
Okay.
How's that pressure?
Feels good.
Okay. Okay, so here's some good stretches that you can do. Would you say it hurts more in your lower back or upper back? Like when you're not moving, when you notice it?
Lower.
A little more so lower?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Well, let me show you some shoulder stuff first
Okay.
before we get you back on our table. So what you can do is you can get a pole to do this. Mm-hmm. And basically you can just take this, and this really helps with the range of motion of your shoulder. So you can just kind of just push it up like this, and that helps stretch it out. And then you can come back this way, and that helps stretch out the front part of your shoulder. And then you can kind of come up like this, and that's helped stretch out another part of your shoulder. Okay. And then you can kind of come back like this, and that gets like your pec.
Okay.
So what you can do is try that out. You can just take any pole and do that. And you can kind of come back like this. You feel that in your front part of your shoulder. And then...
What was the other one?
Yeah. So that goes, that's like the front part. And then you basically will grab it. You can also grab it like this, and then kind of press forward. So let me show you real quick. So you can kind of do this.
Okay.
And then that kind of pulls it, and then you can kind of come around this way, and that kind of gets like deltoid as well.
Okay.
So. Yeah, and then you can go to the side.
Side?
Yeah, so I would do more so like this as well, and then just like pull. And then you could also, instead of just using the stick, you can also just do like a more passive thing. So just like grab it like this, and then pull, and then that gets the side, and that really gets that area where you're dealing with your pain. So try that out too as well.
Here.
Yep. You feel that? Yeah. So I would do that. I would focus on that one throughout the day.
Okay.
We could do like a couple times throughout the day, and then we can work our way to the pole. Pause. So we could also have you go let's have you go on your back, like face up. This will be good for your low back. You could do the TFL, which basically like helps loosen up the spine. So you can just have it like this, and then take this right here and like pull it to the side. And then that really helps loosen it up. And I would hold that for like, you don't have to do it right now, but hold it for like 20 seconds on both sides a couple times a day. Okay. And that'd be pretty good. Okay. You could be sore after this. You could be. If you are, just make sure you're icing down 10 minutes per hour as needed. Drink lots of water too. Keep taking that supplement. It sounds like it's working. Right. And any questions for me?
No. I think I'm good.
Bring up your arms like that. Let's see that. It's coming up a little bit smoother. Come down like this. Internally rotate. Externally rotate. That's good. Come up here like this. Go forward. Go backwards. Yeah, a little bit smoother. And then you can chin the chest. Look up. Come back to center. Ear to shoulder. Other side. Come back to center. Look to the side. Other side. That's pretty good. Let's have you stand up. And then you touch your toes as much as you can. That's pretty good. Come back. Arch your back towards the ceiling. Come back to center. Side. Other side. Center. Twist. Twist the other way. Come back. Right. How do you feel?
Good.
Okay. Thanks for tuning into my series, and I'll see you guys next week for the next one. All right.